how to fix error 0x800f081f in Windows 11 update. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install or fix install error 0x800f081f in Windows 10 and 11. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step one, that is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. So here, simply press Windows plus I to open the settings. And now here in this section, simply go to the system. And now here under the system, simply scroll down. And there you simply have to click on Troubleshoot. And here simply click on Other Troubleshooter. And there you can simply click on Run next to the Windows Update and follow the on-screen instruction and let it detect and fix the issues. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to enable .NET framework. So here simply press Windows plus R and there simply type optional features and simply press enter. And after that, in the Windows feature window, there you simply have to ensure that .NET Framework 3.5 includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. So here you simply have to see if that is checked. And with that, you can simply click OK and wait for Windows to install it. And with that, you can simply restart your PC. And after that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to retry the Windows update. So here simply press Windows plus I to open the settings, and now here once you are in the settings section, simply look at the left hand sidebar and simply click on Windows Update. And there in this section you simply have to click on check for updates and install the updates again. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix install error 0x800f081f in Windows 10 and 11. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.